Hello, I'm Shauna Egan with the Carroll Community College Adult Education Program, and this video is going to show you how to get to your link for your ESOL information session. You are going to start off by turning on your computer so you see your desktop. Once your computer is on, you are going to get to your email. You can get to your email from any browser. You could use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Google Chrome, or any icon that helps you get to your email. I'm going to open up Google Chrome, and I have a Gmail address, so I'm going to type gmail.com in the address bar. Then I'm going to press enter. I have to log into my email. Once you are logged in, please look for an email that says ESOL registration and information session and click on it. In this email, you will find some information on how to register for your session and go to a link for the ESOL online information session. The first link is going to take you to your registration. If you click on the link, you can fill out information about yourself and click submit. If you would like to complete the form in Spanish, you can click on this link right here. When you are done, you are going to go back to your email. If you continue reading, the next section says, "Thank you for registering for the online information session to learn about online ESOL classes with Carroll Community College." It tells you when you are scheduled to attend an information session. I'm scheduled to attend on Monday, November 23rd, 2020, from 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock p.m. It tells me to log on at least 5 minutes before the start of the session. So I am going to log on at 5:50 or 5:55 p.m. You can use a desktop computer, laptop, tablet, or phone to participate in the session. This video shows you how to use a PC computer. To get into the session, you are going to click this link. If at any point you have problems, please call 443-300-7976. Now let's see what happens when I click on the link. When I click on the link, this pops up. I do not want Microsoft Teams to open in an application. So I am going to click the blue cancel button. Then I am going to click continue on this browser. Now I am going to look, make sure I am in the class, and then click Join Now. Now I am in the ESOL information session. I am going to wait until the correct time So if I were waiting, I would wait until 6 o'clock and listen for directions. If I have any questions, I can say them using the microphone, or I can click Show Conversation and I can type them into the chat box. The person who is running the information session would answer my questions and help me get help. If I needed anything or if I had any questions, I can also call this number. I hope this was helpful. Please let us know if you need help or if your computer is not working, and we will try to help. Thank you.